One day, Sammy was playing in his room when his toy car rolled under the couch. He looked for it behind the curtain and in front of the TV, but it was gone. Then he checked between the two chairs.
Sammy found the car, but it was stuck.
His sister came to help. She used a stick to pull it out from under the couch. Sammy was so happy. He put the toy car on the table and smiled. Prepositions of place tell us where something is.
The cat is in front of the box. The cat is on the box. The cat is behind the box. The cat is in the box.
The cat is between the boxes.
The cat is under the box.
Now you know where the cat is.